So within the last few months, I went sugar-free, oil-free, and gluten-free. And I think one of them, specifically going sugar-free and oil-free, definitely helped out my acne a lot. So I used to have really bad acne. I used to have acne that got so big, it would physically hurt my face. Not a lot of people get acne to that point where it starts being painful, but I did. And ever since I went oil and sugar-free, my acne has gotten so good and it hasn't been reoccurring. So how it used to be was I would have bad acne for a spell, and then I'd have acne that was kind of good for that time, but then it would eventually go back to being really bad. But I've had really good going without any acne at all for the last 2 months. Now, this isn't acne, that's just scars that I have on my face. So I think it has to be the diet. I don't think gluten-free has anything to really do for it, but maybe it does. Who knows? I'm not gonna act like I'm an expert, but I definitely think excluding sugar completely out of my diet and oils has made it better. So thank you for watching, guys. Hope I could have helped you, and peace.